Hello Internet, I am Mihai, it is part 18. I will prepare the files for deployment. Open Node.js backend repository. It is it. Open pipeline config YAML, this file, and here I want to define the list of files and folders which I want to be deployed. So write new line. First thing, I want to deploy the src folder. It contains all the files and folders and logic and code required by the server to run. I write src / new line. I want to deploy the package.json file because it contains the scripts required by the server to run. I copy the file name, paste it in the package config. The last file I want to deploy is package.log.json. It contains a detailed information about every dependency. Copy the name, paste it. Good. Check git changes. I added 3 new lines. Apply the changes and write the commit message. Defined files for deployment. New line, prepare files for deployment. Commit. Very good. Now push. Changes were pushed to the main branch. I want to create a new stage. Go to pipeline repository. Open the deploy app Jenkins file. Scroll down and create a new stage. Stage. In double quotes I write prepare files for deployment. Set the timeout for 60 seconds. Write here 60 and seconds. Create steps and script. Nice. Get the deployment folder path. Final. String deployment folder path equals. Scroll up. Copy this map. Paste it here. Open square brackets. Scroll up again. Copy Jenkins workspace. Scroll down. Paste it in the square brackets. Close the project view. Open again square brackets. Scroll up. Copy deployment folder path. Scroll down. Paste here. And now Jenkins is going to take the deployment folder path from the map and save it in this variable. Remember, in the previous stage we created the deployment folder path, and here is the value. Back to the stage. New line. Now I want to get the list of all files to deploy. It is this list. This one. How to do it? Go back to Jenkins file. Scroll up. Remember, we had a stage read project config, and in that stage I am reading the CI/CD project configuration map. It is it. Copy it. It is also defined as a global variable here. Scroll down. Paste it here. And in double quotes put the list name. Copy it from the Node.js repository. Paste it in the Jenkins file. Very good. Now I'm going to save the list into a variable. Final list The list will contain string elements, and I want to name the variable files to copy list. I have the list, I want to iterate through the list. Files to copy list dot each, open parentheses, open curly brackets, write string file dash arrow, and inside the body you write sh to call the shell script, script colon. In double quotes you write the cp command, it means copy, recursive, it tells the command to go through files and folders, put the file name, space, and put the destination location. In my case, it is deployment folder path, copy and paste. Comma label, double quotes, copy files for deployment. The files will be copied. Now let's print two debug logs. sh, I want to print the content of deployment folder path. Good. Copy the line. And I want to print the content of the src folder. It is this one. Very good. Add the comments to remove the debug logs. Nice. Check git changes. I created a new stage. It is okay. Apply the changes and write the commit message, create it, copy the stage name, paste it in the commit message, space stage, new line, prepare files for deployment, commit and push. Commit anyway, push. Good job. Go to Jenkins pipeline, open the folder, open the pipeline, click build with parameters, branch name is main, build, wait. The pipeline finished. I see the new stage prepare files for deployment. I also see that I have one new commit in the Node.js backend repository. Click on the pipeline number. Here is the commit, defined files for deployment. I also can check the details. And here is the change. Go back to Jenkins. Click on console output to see the logs. Scroll down. Remember the stage read project config. Here I print the map content. It is files to deploy and it lists all files and folders. Scroll down. It is the stage prepare files for deployment. The timeout is 1 minute. And here I iterate through the list and copy every file and folder. Here I copy the src folder. Next thing, I copy the package.json folder, it is it. And the last iteration, I copy package.json, it is this one. Deployment 12, it is the target folder. And the 12 number, it is it. And also this one in the URL. I print the content of deployment 12 folder. I have here the 2 files and 1 folder. And I print the content of the src folder. And it contains index.js and server.js. Pipeline status is success. Remove the debug logs. Delete. Check git changes. I deleted debug logs and write the commit message. Removed debug logs. New line, prepare files for deployment. Commit and push. Push. Perfect. Open the diagram. Select the stage, make it white. And it is all. You prepared the files for deployment. You are gifted, I swear. Thank you for watching.